So you've clicked this video to learn how to do splits. Well, here's a follow along routine. So first we're going to start off with this low lunge stretch. It's pretty easy and it's really effective. Now you're going to straighten your front leg and bend forward for a stretch in a different area. Now you're going to basically fall back so that your legs are on the ground and you're doing the same forward stretch. Now we're going to move to a pose I call Pigeon Toes. It's basically the splits but your front leg is bent. You could also put your arms in the air for a deeper stretch. Now you're going to try to grab your back foot and hold it as close to your body as you can. Now go as far as you can into the splits. Now we're going to do the same thing we just did, but on the other side. So start with the low lunge stretch. Now straighten your front leg and bend forward. Now bring your body to the ground. Now we're going to go to Pigeon Pose again. Now try your best and grab your back foot. Now go as far as you can into this side split. Now we're going to go to the widest straddle pose that you have. And now reach over to one side. And now the other side. And now you're going to go as far as you can leaning forward. Now you want to grab something to elevate one of your legs to stretch an oversplit. Make sure it's not too high or too low so you still get a good stretch. Just make sure it's appropriate for your level of flexibility. Okay, now you're going to switch and do your other side. Well, that's all the stretches, but there is one more thing I want to say. I want to say that it takes a lot of time to improve your flexibility. You're not going to just do a 15-minute stretch, go to sleep, and then wake up the next day, and suddenly you're super flexible. That's just, no, it's not how it works. And I've been training in contortion for 5 years, probably a bit more, but that just shows you have to have patience. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Here's the back of my cat's head. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on my community tab. And bye-bye.